Aravind Bhargav is there on the mandolin the day the Violin Sisters are performing. And he's one of the very few practitioners of the mandolin who is trained under the late and great U. Srinivas. And on day 2, you have the harmonium of Anant Joshi and Debashish Bhattacharya, who is going to play a slide guitar. Now, these are all artists who understand their adapted instrument very, very deeply. Ma'am, Lalita ma'am, Nandini ma'am, have you heard Arvind Bhargav play before? Any of these musicians, if they are familiar to you? Of course, U. Srinivas, who doesn't know? God bless him and his contribution. Just your thoughts on the lineup.
It's a fantastic lineup, I would say. Of course, we know Arvind Bhargav, we know Debashish Ji, and the festival itself is very special in the sense it is bringing the different instruments like the violins, the mandolin, the harmonium, the slide guitar. So
basically, instruments which may not be indigenous, but which have been brought into our Indian classical fold and which have been very successfully adapted to give a voice to Indian music. So we see that there is Carnatic as well as Hindustani concerts, which again, makes it pan-Indian. So such a lovely festival, the way it has been thoughtfully curated and the way it is being presented to give a representation to the two different, classical idioms of India, and also a wide range of musical instruments, plucked, bowed, as well as, keyed harmonium. So it's such a beautifully curated festival, which I think should not be missed. It's one of a kind, I think. Kudos to NCPA for putting together such a beautiful festival, and we are so happy to be part of it.
Yeah, what is so special is that it's a festival for instrumental music, because as I mentioned, like, of course, Carnatic music is vocal based, so we have a lot of concerts giving importance to the vocal music. So this is something very special. There are a lot of instrumental players, and instruments are very important in Indian music as well. So this particular festival is giving importance to the instrumental instruments as such. So
if you look at the history of Indian music, instruments and instrumental music has played a huge part which cannot be neglected. So I think a festival entirely dedicated to musical instruments is something which needs to be welcomed, and which I think needs to be emulated by other organizations as well, to kind of focus on the rich instrumental music traditions that we in India have.
One world, your station.